Swans look peaceful and gentle, especially in winter when lakes freeze and food seems scarce. So many people think, let's help them, let's bring bread. But here's the truth. Feeding swans bread actually harms them. Bread has almost no nutritional value for swans. It fills their stomachs without giving them the vitamins and minerals they need to survive cold winters. When swans eat too much bread, they can become weak, malnourished, and more vulnerable to disease. It also causes angel wing, a painful condition where the wings grow twisted and can no longer fly properly. And uneaten bread pollutes the water, encouraging algae growth that damages the entire ecosystem. If you truly want to help swans in winter, the best thing you can do is let them forage naturally. Swans are incredibly adapted to cold climates. They eat aquatic plants, roots, and small invertebrates, even under ice. Their long necks aren't just beautiful, they're tools designed for survival. Here's something truly fascinating about swan behavior. Swans form lifelong bonds, and during winter, bonded pairs and family groups stay extremely close. If one swan is injured or weak, the others often delay migration or stay behind, protecting them, even if it puts them at risk.
You're gorgeous.
That's loyalty rarely seen in the wild. So this winter, the kindest act isn't feeding. It's respecting their natural intelligence and resilience. Watch them, learn from them, and let wild birds stay wild.